The frame is fully assembled. You just need to unfold it. Then put the fabric on. Pull out the extendable eave fully and plug it into the corner of the fabric. Stick the 4 fabric corners to the fabric top. Fully extend the gazebo, then pull the frame up until you hear a click. Then press the leather button to extend the leg to the height you want. There are 3 different heights that can be adjusted. Hang the hook of the fabric in the hole of the leg frame. Insert the ground nails into the glass to make the gazebo more stable. The cover fabric is made of PA-coated polyester fabric, so it's durable and waterproof. This gazebo comes with mosquito net. It's easy to hang on. You need to fix the high ring in the hole of the mosquito net and fix the mosquito net rope to the fabric. Then hang the mosquito net on. The mosquito net can be zipped up as you like. The size of this gazebo is 11 times 11 feet. It provides enough space to put your sofa set, dinner table and chairs, so it's the best choice for your outdoor barbecue, dinner, birthday party and wedding. If you are interested in our gazebo, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you.